Hey guys, so I'm at AutoZone right now. I'm gonna pick up my upstream oxygen sensor for my 2006 Honda Civic. I do have a check engine light. I came to AutoZone a couple of weeks ago to get it diagnosed, which is free, and I recommend that you do come to AutoZone whenever you do have a check engine light, so you don't have to pay out of pocket for that. Also, before purchasing anything at AutoZone, I recommend that you Google any coupons. You don't lose anything by doing that. If anything, you may gain some money in your pocket. And we're also going to be renting out a tool, which will come out essentially for free. So let's do this. I just got out of AutoZone. I picked up my O2 sensor, and I also rented the socket wrench. So this is what it looks like. If you don't have one, go to AutoZone, rent it. All you have to do is put down a deposit and you get that returned to you once you're done using it. So what we're going to be replacing is the upstream O2 sensor, which is the one closest to the engine on top. Pretty easy.
First thing that I'm going to do is to unhook the cable. Next thing we will do is position the opening of the socket with the cable here in order to have a tight grip to loosen. And remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Once the grip is loosened, you can just use your hand and manually continue to loosen and take it out. As you can see here, this is the old O2 sensor. It looks dark and rusted. And now it's time to replace it with the new O2 sensor.
Okay. Gonna manually screw it up back in. Make sure you're going to the right, righty tighty. Okay, it's pretty tight. And now you're going to just connect the cables. Let's tighten it a bit more. Okay, and that is how we change an upstream O2 sensor on a 2006 Honda Civic.